Yeah.
It's okay, just start it right there. Just start it right there. You get too much snot in your nose?
You look like you're about to sneeze.
Come on, Ashley. Come on. Nobody. Okay.
Mom and I are on the same page here.
Alright, that was good.
Hey, can you play it out of the other nostril?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'll try.
No, that's okay.